Hello, hello. Welcome to today's STEAM Team Challenge. My name is Miss Julie, and I'm from the Warrenville Public Library in Warrenville, Illinois. This month's challenges are all to do with Valentine's Day because it is February. So we're going to make an art project that could be a card or just an artistic gift or something for you to keep, and then also some bath bombs. So first, a little history of Valentine's Day. It's sort of complicated and uncertain of exact origin. The date of February 14th is thought to have coincided with a Roman holiday that was the celebration of spring coming. And you can see that sort of reflected in the use of Cupid, which is the Roman god of love. Then it is in honor of one of the Saint Valentines in the Christian Catholic Church. So it's not sure which one it is, but there are 3 Saint Valentines it might be. One is thought to have married soldiers who were forbidden to marry. One is thought to have helped Christians escape prison. And one is thought to have written the first Valentine a letter to his jailer's daughter. So those are all very interesting legends that might have became our holiday of Valentine's Day. It was somewhat officially noted as a romantic holiday of love by a poet, Geoffrey Chaucer. Okay. So it's come a long way now, and today it is a celebration of love. It is a special day every year that you can show the people you love how much you care about them, which of course you should do every day, but it's nice to have a little reminder. All right, our 2 activities for today are this heart plate card. So you can write something to make it a plate or a card, or you can leave it as this, however you want to do that, and some bath bombs. All right, so first let's do our heart plate. And I'm going to add in a little math here. So what you're going to be doing is weaving your red yarn through the holes in this plate. Now, because this is an art project and each of you are the artists of your own creations, you can choose to do this however you want. You could try some different things. You can always unweave it if you decide you don't like how it looks. So please don't feel like you have to do it how I did it, but I will show you how I did it. So first thing I did was I put tape on the end of one of these. Even though these holes are larger, I still think it makes it easier to weave through things if you wrap your end with tape. Okay, so the way I did it, I was aiming for more of a symmetrical design. So symmetrical things are thought to, if you cut it in half or you look at one half and the other half, they should be just about matching. So a heart in itself is a symmetrical shape there. So what I did to make that happen is I weaved from this bottom one to the top, and then I worked diagonal right across like that. And so you kind of see there are equal numbers of strings on each side. And again, that's just how I did it. You are more than welcome to make it look however your heart feels like. So this could be something you keep for yourself or something you give to somebody you really care about. All right, then our bath bombs. So for our bath bombs, you should have your baking soda, Epsom salts, citric acid, your oils. This is a mixture of coconut oil and lavender oil, and then cornstarch. The first thing you're going to do is find a bowl. You will need a bowl and probably a fork, I believe. And you're going to mix in all of your dry ingredients first. Mix all those together and then add in your oils. So after pouring all these out, you're going to have all of these empty containers, which is what you're going to put your bath bomb creations in. So mix it all together, and then you're gonna pack your mixture into one of these containers. And when I say pack, I mean pack. So put it in, push down, make sure it's as packed tight as you can, and cover it with your lid, okay? So you're gonna leave this to dry out for at least 24 hours or so. And then you should be able to take it out, and it should be in this sort of shape. It's still gonna be fragile. So you might not wanna take it out until you're ready to throw it in your bathtub or gift it in this situation, this sort of wrapping. Okay, so a little science behind bath bombs. If you've ever used a bath bomb before, when you put it in water, it's gonna start fizzing all fun. And that is because there is citric acid, because of the citric acid, and your baking soda. When these are combined and then put in water, there's gonna be a chemical reaction that creates carbon dioxide bubbles. So that's the fizz you're seeing as it's coming out. All that carbon dioxide bubbles are coming to the surface. Now, what makes it move a little slower so that it's not just fizzing out in 1 second is our cornstarch. This is like a filler that allows it to fizz out a little bit slower than if it wasn't in there. So just a little fun science there behind your bath bombs. It should make about 2.5. And of course, if you only have half, you could still throw that in your bathtub and it'll fizz all fun regardless if it's not a full thing. So that's fun as well. Okay, so thank you for enjoying my STEAM Team Challenge today. As always, if you have any pictures or videos, you can go ahead and send them to me. And I hope you all enjoy this, and happy Valentine's Day.